good evening once again to everyone. Let's start today's revision session on chapter number 1, square and cube. Okay, in the previous class we just discussed about, so we have taken one short revision on a square and cube, right? In case we have missed it, right, kindly refer to the video. So today we'll be just going with the next concept, cube and cube root. So now we have to start with cubic numbers. Cubic numbers. A number is obtained by multiplying a number by itself 3 times is called as cube number. If the number is multiplied by itself 2 times is called as square number. If the number is multiplied by itself 3 times is called as cubic number. For example, if you are multiplying, okay, number into itself, that is a into a is a cube. Okay, the notation is a cube. For example, 1. Okay, these are all cubic number. 1, 1 into 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, 2 cube, that is 8. 3 into 3 into 3, 3 cube, 27. 4 into 4 into 4. Okay, 4 cube, 64. 125, 216. So these are all cubic number. Okay, but I know the volume of cube formula a into a, that is cubic, a cube. Okay, so why it's called as cubic number means we are just taking cubic means 1 is a perfect cube and 8 is giving a perfect cube. Okay, 27 is giving a perfect cube. Okay, whenever you are just using this number, it will give the perfect cube formation. So next, at least we must know the cubic numbers. Okay, so 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. Here the thing is, if the number is having 2, okay, is always ending with 8. 2 is ending with 8. 8 is ending with 2. 3 is ending with 7. 7 is ending with 3. 7 is ending with 3. So balance every numbers, it will be ending with the same digits. Unit digits will be the same. Only for 2, 3, 7, 8, okay, it will be ending with, so the opposite. 2, here I can just see a cube of a number ending in 2 is always end with 8. So 2 is ending with 8, 8 is ending with 2. 2 is ending, 3 is ending with 7, 7 is ending with 3. Okay, this ending digits we must know for using the shortcut. Okay, except 2, 3, 7, 8, so balance everything ending with the same digits. 1 with 1, 4 with 4, 5 is ending with 5, 6 is ending with 6, 9 is ending with 9, 0 is ending with 0. Right, so you can just see this tabular column. Okay, number, okay, cube of a number, ending digit. 2 means 8, 3 is 7, 7 means 3, 8 means 2. So next one is perfect cube. Okay, perfect cube. A number is a perfect cube if its prime factor can be split into 3 identical groups. If the number is given, you have to identify whether the given number is a perfect cube. If you can able to write split into 3 identical groups, then it's called as a perfect cube. If you can able to split into 2 identical groups, that is a perfect square. So 3 identical group means that is a perfect cube. For example, 125, 5 into 5 into 5, 5 cube. And 64, 4 into 4 into 4, 64. So next one is successive difference. The difference between the consecutive perfect squares gives the consecutive of, okay, gives the sequence of odd numbers. Okay, the difference between the consecutive perfect square gives the sequence of odd numbers. Okay, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. This is a perfect square number. Okay, if you're finding the difference, okay, 4 minus 3 is 1, 9 minus 4 is 5, 7, 9, 11. Then again, if you're finding the difference, 2, 2, 2, 2, we are getting. The same as, okay, consecutive, the difference between the consecutive perfect cubes gives, okay, gives these numbers. This also odd numbers only is coming. And here, again, if you're finding, okay, 12, 18, 24, 30. Again, if you are just finding the difference, 666 is coming. Okay, this is for this for the note. Next one is perfect cube and consecutive odd numbers. Perfect cube and consecutive odd numbers. 1 cube is 1. So consecutive means continuous. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 you can write it as 2 cube. 7 plus 9 plus 11, 27. 27 you can write it as 3 cube. Okay. 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. Okay. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Okay. 4 terms. So 4 cube. 5 cubes. 6 cubes. Okay. Now they are asking, can you tell what this sum is without doing any calculation? We have to find out this sum. So we don't need to add everything and check. Just count how many terms. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 cube. 10 cube is 1000. Okay, so next. So taxi cab number. Okay, taxi cab number is the number that can be written as the sum of two cubes in two different ways. Okay, sum of two cubes in two different ways. The number is called as taxi cab number. Okay, what number as well as we can say that is Ramanujan number. Hardy Ramanujan number. 1729 can be written as 1 cube plus 12 cube or 9 cube plus 10 cube. So next other example is given as 4104. Okay, we can write as 2 cube plus 16 cube or 9 cube plus 15 cube. One more example, 13,832. So 2 cube plus 24 cube or 18 cube plus 20 cube. Okay, so this is okay famous one 1729. Okay, so next cube root. Cube root is the inverse operation of finding the cube. Okay, it's the inverse operation. So 3 cube is 27. Then the cube root of 27 is 3. Okay, the cube root will be written as, okay, only there is no number means you will be considering as square root. If 3 if mention only, it will become cubic root. Okay, that is cube root. So cube root of 27, that is 3. A symbol for cube root is, okay, you can just see how to write 3. 3. If you are not, if you forget to mention 3, 3 means it will become square root. Okay. Next, for example, cube root of 64 is 4. Why? Because 64 can be written as 4 into 4 into 4. That is 3 identical part. So the answer is 4. Cube root of 8 is 2. Cube root of 27 is 3. Cube root of 1000 is 10. Okay. Next, for finding the cube root, we have first prime factorization method. Okay. Cube root by prime factorization method. First step, we have to write the prime factors. Next, we have to make it as a triplet. Triplet means, right, you have to combine, okay, 3 numbers together. So take 1 from each triplet. If it's a square root means we'll be having pair. Okay, from the pair we'll be taking 1 number, 2 numbers. Here, triplet means, so more than there is 3 numbers. From each group of 3, we'll be taking 1 number out. For example, 3375. The prime factor of 3375 is, okay, 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now this is called as triplet, 3 numbers. From this, we have to take only 1 number outside. Okay, from these 3, I'll be taking only 1 3 is outside. And from this 5, I'll be taking 1 5 outside. So 3 5s are 15. 15 is the cube root of 3375. So triplet is not possible, then it's not a perfect cube number. So next, so based on this, we have done the exercise. Figure it out 1.2, page number 16. Find the cube root of 27,000, 10,648. For finding the cubic roots, we have to use L method, right? Use the prime numbers alone. What are the numbers of prime? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay, maximum we'll be using 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. These are our prime numbers. Okay. So rare case we'll be using 17, 19, 23. Right. So use, okay, prime numbers, and if you can able to write as a triplet, then it's called as perfect cube number. Okay, here we are just writing 27,000 prime factor is 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 5, 3 into 3 into 3. So 2 is having triplet, 5 is having triplet, 3 also having triplet. So from each triplet you can take one number out. 2 into 5 into 3 is 30 is the answer. The same as 10,648. Use the, okay, use the prime factorization. Here 2 into 2 into 2, 11 into 11 into 11. It's having, okay, triplet. From 2 we can just take 1 2 outside. From 11, 1 11 out. So 2 11s are 22. So now next, what number will you multiply by 1323 to make is a perfect cube? What should be multiplied? Okay, what should be multiplied means some number is missing. The number you have to identify. Okay, so use the prime factorization of 1323. Okay, use the prime factorization. We have 3 and 7. Here 3 is having triplet, but the 7 is not having a triplet. Therefore, 7 has to be multiplied. Okay, 7 must be multiplied. Then the one more questions. Okay, one more questions. You can just refer to it. The next, I have taught you how to find out. Okay, here is given. You told that 1331 is a perfect cube. Can you guess without factorization? Okay, without prime factorization, how will you find out whether the given number is cube root? Okay, perfect cube number or not? Okay, similarly, guess the cube root of, okay, 4,913, 12,167, 32,768. So we're going to use estimation method. Okay, estimation method to check the given number is a perfect cube or not. Okay, for finding the cube root, so we must know the unit digits. Okay, if you know the unit digits, you can just easily understand and do it. Okay, so cube root means first you write the numbers and place the bar over 3 digits from right to left. Okay, I'm just placing the bar over 3 digits and 1 digits. Now we have to see the last digit. Okay, ending digit is C. So we have 1. If the number is having 1, the cube number, it will be ending with 1. Okay, cube of a number, it is ending with 1. Okay, now we are writing as 1. Now here balance is 1. Now you have to see for this, okay, the cube number less than is nearest to this 1. Okay, only 1 is possible. Okay, from this we are writing as 1. For this also 1. Okay, 11 is cube root of 1331. For next one is 4,913 means you just see the last. First you place the bar over 3 digits and 1 digit. 3, okay, is ending with 3. The number is ending with 3. The cube number it will be ending with 7. 3 means 7. 7 means 3. Okay, here 3 means 7. Now left out number is 4. Okay, we have to find out. So 1 cube is 1. 2 cube if I take, this is more than 4. Okay, 2 cube is 8. More than 4. We cannot cancel. We have to check the least number. Cube number you have to check. Okay, which is the least cube number? That is only 1. So 17 is the answer. Now 12,161. Okay, place the bar over 3 digits and balance 2 digit. It's ending with 7. So the number should end with 3. 12. Okay, so least square number, least cubic number to 12. That is only 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. If I take 3 cube, it will become 27. You cannot take 3 cube. So only 2. So 23. Okay. Now 32,768. Place the bar over 3 digits and 2 digits is ending with 8. 8 means ending with 2. Ending digit is 2. 32. Okay. So least cube number. Okay. Least cube number to 32 is 3 cube. Okay, 3, that is 3. The answer is 32. First, I have to place the bar over 3 digits. So 3 digits, you can just place bar over 3 digits. I have only 2 digits. Now next one, you have to see the last digit. Just see the last digit. The last digit is 9. Okay, if the number is having 9 at the last digit, so cube number it will be having 9 ending digits. So 9 means it's ending with 9. So ending digit it will be 9. Okay. Now 24 is the, so you have to find out the perfect cube number which is least, which is smallest. Okay, which is less than 24, you have to find out. Perfect cube number which is less than 24. Okay, if I take 3 cube is 27. It's more than 24. We cannot take 3. So 2 cube is 8. Only possibility is for 2. Okay. Therefore, the cube root of, okay, 24,389 is equal to 29 is the answer. Okay, 29. So like this, right? So balance everything. You can just take it up. So estimation method using square root. Okay, for the square root means first thing, right? For example, 729, we can just take 729. We have to place bar over 2 digits. Okay, 2 digits and single digit. Next, here also we have to find out the unit digits. Okay, ending digits. If it's the number is ending with 9, then the square is ending with, so you have to see this tabular column. If the number having unit digit is 0, the square is ending with 0. 1 or 9 ending with 1. 2 or 8 ending with 4. 3 or 7 ending with 9. 4 or 6 ending with 6. 5 is ending with 5. Okay, so you must know this tabular column so that you can just easily get the answer. If the root of the number is ending with 9, therefore the number should end with, okay, 9 means either it can be 3 or 7. Okay, either it can be ending with 3 or 7. Two possibilities, 3 or 7. Okay, so next what you have to do means, right? So here balance 7 we have perfect square number which is less than 7. Which one you can take? 2 square is 4. If I take 3 mean 3 square is 9. I cannot take 3. So I can just take only 2. And next one is what you have to do means you have to just multiply with the next number. 2 if I have taken. So multiply with, while comparing 6 with 7, here 7 is greater than 6. Therefore, we have to choose the greatest value of 3 or 7. Okay, among 3 and 7, which is greater? 7 is greater. Therefore, the answer is 27 is the answer. One more question here. 1764. So place the bar over 2 digits. If the number is ending with 4, okay, the ending digits of square number should be 2 or 8. Okay, 2 or 8. Just take. Now we have to find out the perfect square number which is less than 17. Less than 17. Now we can just, less than 17 means, which is we can take 4 square is 16. 5 square is means 25. We cannot take 5. So 4. Now multiply with the next number. Okay, 4 means you have to multiply with 5. 4 5s are 20. You compare this 20 with 17. 17 is less than 20. So therefore you have to choose the smallest number. Okay, here 7 while comparing with 6. 7 is greater. We have taken the greatest number. Here 17 while comparing with 20. 17 is less. So you have to choose the less number. Okay. So now I am just taking, okay, 9 to 1 6. Okay, I am just taking 9 to 1 6. First step, you just place the bar over 2 digits. We are going to find out, okay, square root. So place the bar over 2 digits. Now the number is ending with, okay, square root is ending with 6. Therefore, the ending digit of a square number should be 4 or 6. Either it can be 4 or 6. We have two options. One is 4 or 6. Now here left out number is 92. We have to find out the perfect square number which is less than 92. Okay, less than 92 means we can just take it as 9 square is 81. 10 square we cannot take. Only 9 square is 81, less than. So I can just take, this should be, for this I can just choose only 9. Okay. So 9. Now next I go to multiply with the next number. Okay. 9 into 10. Now next number is 10. 9 into 10 is 90 I am getting. Now you compare 92 with 90. Okay. While comparing 92 with 90, 92 is greater than 90. Therefore I go to choose the greatest number. Therefore the answer is 96 is the answer. So next one is, okay, question number 5 is given that which of the following is the greatest? Explain your reasoning. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 options are given. Okay. Without expanding, we have to identify which one is going to be the greatest. For finding this, you can just use for consecutive numbers. Consecutive number means for continuous number, cube difference always it will be greater than square difference. Cube difference it will be the greater. Here cube difference means 67 cube minus 66 cube. This will be greatest among all these options. Okay. Now question number 4. Here they are asking what should be multiplied to make it as a perfect square number. And also find the square root. Okay, square root of the square number obtained. Okay. So what should be multiplied means you have to use the prime factorization. Okay. Square number means, okay, you have to make it as a pair. Okay, 2 is having a pair, 3 is having a pair, 7 is not having a pair. Therefore, 7 should be multiplied. And they are asking, and also find the square root of, okay, square root of the given number obtained. Okay, then you have to find out the square root. That means we are just multiplying 7 on both the sides. Okay, we have to multiply 7 on both the sides. If you are multiplying 7 on both the sides, 252 into 7 is 1764. If you're multiplying 7 in this side, it will become a pair. Okay. Then if you want to find out the square root of 1764 means from the pair you have to take one number out. From 2, 1, 3, 7. So multiply 42. Okay, the square root of 1764 is 42. The same as what should be divided means that also you have to use the prime factorization. Okay, what number is missing the pair? The number should be divided. Here while writing 376 as a prime factorization, we have 2 is having a pair, 3 is having a pair, but 11 is not having a pair. Therefore, we have to divide by 11. And also find the square root of the square number obtained means we have to divide 11 on both the sides. While dividing 11 on both the sides, this one is getting cancelled. So 396 divided by 11 means 36 we are getting. Okay, cube root of square root of 36 means from pair you have to take one number outside. From 2 one number, from 3 1 3. So 2 3s are 6. Square root of 36 is 6. Okay, for prime factorization when you have to use means what should be multiplied or what should be divided means we will be using prime factorization. I think last class I have taught you how to use long division. So long division means they may ask what should be added, what should be subtracted. In the word problem, you will be going with long division. As per the new book, okay, long division is not given. Okay, but in our higher classes we may use. At present in our book, they have gone with only prime factorization for finding square and square root and cube root.
Thank you for watching. Kindly like, subscribe and share. Thank you.